Hey resellers, Bill C back here with Resellers Over 50, and I just finished a buying excursion to one of my favorite wholesale distributors, and I thought I'd take a moment while I'm driving back to the office to show you what I got and what I paid so that you know a little bit about how to do professional shopping for your customers. And I'm going to just very quickly show you this receipt. So essentially, I paid $91.42 for over 40 items. So less than, let's say $2.50 a piece is what I got. And the types of items that I got were Under Armour sports bras for women. I got Adidas hoodies, which were absolutely beautiful. I got Under Armour hoodies. I got some very cool Ralph Lauren dress pants. I got over 20 Carhartt for items, shirts, t-shirts, long sleeve, short sleeve for men and women. I got some sneakers and some other Adidas and Nike shirts. I want to share with you that as a professional buyer for your eBay business or your Amazon business, you're buying for your customer, not for yourself, number one. And your acquisition cost is super important, because once you understand your cost of goods sold, that gives you flexibility on what your ultimate price will be so that you can make money with your eBay business. eBay is a place where smart shoppers go to get great deals. Now, all the clothes that I bought today were all new with tags, items. So theoretically, I should be able to charge a maximum price because of the value of the items that I bought. Under Armour, Nike, Adidas, and a couple of other brands. Carhartt, of course. Carhartt was the highest number of items that I bought today. Now, once you understand the value in the marketplace of what those brands bring as it relates to the type of item it is, then you're able to price fairly and get a great return on your investment. But basically, I paid about $2.50 an item for a little over 40 pieces, all new with tags. That's about as low as you can get unless you're buying by the pallet. This was not a pallet purchase. And today my distributor was running a half off sale. And what's unique about this particular distributor is that they also have a rewards program, which is absolutely invaluable. And the way that their rewards program works is for every $50 you spend, you get a $10 coupon that you can use on next week's purchase. Now, my distributor has a wholesale business and a retail business. And I bought all of these items today in their retail store at $2.50 roughly a piece. Now, I had to handpick every item, which is, what I've learned to do, and I'm good at it. And I don't have to deal with all the stuff in a pallet that can become, burdensome if you don't have another outlet to get rid of those things that you don't want. So this is just a quick heads up for you. Just a couple minutes to understand what you can buy and where. You just have to do work, look for it. And, this is Resellers Over 50 platform. You can DM me on Instagram at that. And also send me an email, bill@modavend, MODAVEND.com. I'll be happy to answer your questions, address your comments and concerns. I'd like to take this journey with you. I'm here to help you and to educate you as much as I possibly can on how to establish, grow, and make your business profitable, whether it's eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Amazon, what have you. And I hope you have a wonderful day reselling, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.